Hey, yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Zach. I don't know if you can see, but you obviously won't be able to see yet. But he's here. You remember in the store. Kiki, I have a secret to tell you. Kiki, I have a secret to tell you. No, I'm high as fuck. Oh my god! Ooh, I'm singing like a lullaby. When? Tay said like a couple months ago. But yeah. What? Yeah, they had to. I don't know if they got any money back or not. I don't know what happened there. Damn, Kiki. We badass motherfuckers for shit like this. Shit is crazy, guys. Shit is crazy. Oh wait, we can't cross shit. Oh damn, we didn't even get that. What the fuck is wrong with us? We are slow walkers. Whew, I cannot wait to watch all these horror movies with you, Kiki. We are. Are we doing that though?
Yeah.
Watching horror movies? I'm gonna see if I can get like a little snack, if that's okay with you, and then get a little candy.
Yeah.
Because we gotta entertain, we gotta have good treats by during the movies.
That is strong until we came out.
It literally, when I came to pick you up, it was calm. Nothing, no snow. Okay, we can cross. Cross! Cross, Kiki, cross! Oh yeah! What the fuck? Hey, yo, Kiki, what was that? You trying to pull your pants down? Well, yeah, if we keep exercising. Fuck you looking at? That's fucked up. But, I mean, it is funny though. It is super funny. Super funny. We at Cumbys yet? Are we at Cumbys yet? I'm gonna die! Woo! Okay. Woo! Woo! Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit! Okay, that's good! Okay. Oh shit! Don't kill me! Okay, see.